Kung napapagod ka, magpahinga ka. Ika nga, rest if you must, but don't quit. But if you're about to quit, try to consider these 3 things. Una, look back. Tumingin ka sa likod mo o sa iyong pinanggalingan, hindi para umatras, kundi para makita yung layo ng pinagdaanan mo. Tingnan mo yung mga obstacles na nalampasan mo. Then you realize, strong ka pala because you have a strong God. Lahat ng yon ay napagtagumpayan mo sa tulong ng Panginoon. Pangalawa, look where you are now. You are not on the same place as you were before. Siguro naman masasabi mong hindi nagpapabaya sa iyo ang Panginoon. Where you are today is better than where you were before. At dahil yan sa grace ng Panginoon at sa kagustuhan mong magbago ang buhay. Third and most importantly, look forward. Think of what God has prepared for you. Know that God has a perfect plan for you. Maybe may personal plans or goals ka para sa sarili mo. But His plans are way better than ours. Hold on to His promises. Go back to the basic. Balikan mo kung paano ka nagsimula. Magpatuloy ka lang dahil sinasamahan ka niya. Sa dami ng napatunayan mo sa buhay mo, ngayon ka pa ba susuko? Quitting won't take you any further. Kapag napagod ka, magpahinga ka. Pero huwag kang sumuko.